Come back. So today I'm going to show you how to have a Binance account, how to use it, how to go through it, how to buy, receive money from your Binance. I'm going to show you everything on this tutorial, so stay tuned. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you have to install and download your Binance account from your Play Store for Android user, and for iPhone user you go to your App Store, search for Binance. This is it now. Yeah, I have Binance already on my phone. So I'm going to go straight to my app and search for Binance. Then this is it. Open it. This is it. You know your Binance account. You can use it to buy crypto. You can use it to accept any money. Now, do you want to log in? If you have accounts with them already, just click on login. But I'm going to click on sign up. Now let's get through everything how we're going to sign up with our Binance. Now, okay, so let's wait. Now let's say welcome to Binance. Now click down your email, and if you want to continue with Google, you can use continue with Google. So I'm going to continue with my Google, but make sure you have access to your Google account. So I'm going to click on continue with Google account, and here choose the account you wanted to use. Always remember that. So I'm going to use this one. I think so let's wait for it. Yeah, say agree and share. Our account is being created. So if you don't want to use Google, you can just put your phone number or you can use your email. So it's not a must for you to use your Google to continue, but I like using Google a lot. So you can just use your email or you can use your phone number. But do not forget, there's a code that is going to send to any of the one that you use. So make sure you have access to the one that you use. Now this is it. Now we're okay. Just click on OK. Now you can see deposits. Wow, you want to buy? This is it. Wow, this is very good. For those that know how to trade, this is a very good. I like Binance very well, because Binance you'll be able to go through it everything. You know the current price for every, you can say this is every crypto. Yeah. Wow, you can see how they are doing here. Now you want to deposit, just on deposit and just go through everything. You'll be able to get it. You can say, is it the deposit crypto? Is it with your USSD? You can see with your transfer or anything. Let me try to show you something here. So you want to, this is the market, how the money is. Now let me show you another thing. Your portfolio here, you can see this is it. Last price, this one is $1 for USDT. Your BTC is now, wow. So just go through everything. It's very easy. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.